Hello again, friends. This is not the home that's been in the news recently, but I just wanted to show you that most of these homes located here in the village of Bridgeport at Miona Shores, these are premier homes and most of them have swimming pools. You can see the swimming pool right there. You can see the swimming pool in the home right there. Here we are, friends, at the village of Bridgeport at Miona Shores. And there has been a home in the news recently that is in this village. Let's go over there and take a look. Here I am, friends, driving into the village of Bridgeport at Miona Shores. And there was a home that was in the news here recently, located here on Clearwater Run, here in the Villages, Florida. That home is down that street. Let's take a walk and see what we can see. Hello, welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's going to be a walk and talk. Really, it's more about news in and around the villages. I'm taking a walk through the village of Bridgeport at Miona Shores. And what you can see ahead of you, beyond that house, is Lake Miona. It's awesome, it's beautiful. So today's video, I'm gonna just give you an update about a few things that was in the news recently. These homes are absolutely gorgeous here. Look at these homes. Nice, beautiful homes. These are premier homes, friends. And recently, one of these homes was sold, and it made the news. And later on in this video, I will show you that home. This is an awesome day. It's a beautiful day here in the villages. And one of the pieces of news that occurred this week was they're talking about rapid growth in Florida, in central Florida, and how the rapid growth in population, there's Lake Miona over there as well, and how the rapid growth in central Florida could affect the water supply as soon as 2025, which is next year. There is a group called the Florida Tax Watch group, and you can look them up. And they recently did a study, and they're concerned about the rapid population growth here in central Florida. And they think the rapid growth will affect the water supply. There's also an issue with underfunded infrastructure in terms of wastewater treatment here in and around central Florida. I know that Sumter County is a very conservative county. They do not raise taxes very often in Sumter County. Beautiful lake view. And recently there was a proposed development to take place near Lady Lake, which is on the north side of the villages. There was a manufacturing home development proposed to be built near Lady Lake, and their government in Lady Lake actually turned down the project. due to rapid population growth, a stress and strain on their infrastructure. So to me, that's very, very interesting news. And in the city of Wildwood, Florida, which is on the west side of the Villages, they are going to build a $150 million wastewater treatment plant, and that is due to the rapid population growth. And the Florida Tax Watch group feels that if we continue to experience this rapid population growth and underfunded infrastructure, that water supply might be threatened as early as next year. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. The other thing I wanted to let you know is today is Tuesday, the Tuesday before Tropical Storm Helene is supposed to affect the Villages. And we are supposed to be affected as early as Thursday morning. It's due to make landfall near the Big Bend area in Florida. That is up in the panhandle of Florida. And it's due to make landfall Thursday evening there. But we'll start seeing rain on Thursday. And recently in the news, the Villages started closing golf courses today in preparation for the tropical storm. And you're going to ask, why are they closing golf courses in preparation for the tropical storm? They closed some championship golf courses as well as executive golf courses. They're also, at the same time, going to start lowering some of the retention ponds, and they're going to start irrigating the common areas as well as the golf courses. And they're going to start that effective today. Today is Tuesday. So that is some of the news regarding Tropical Storm Helene, which is going to affect the Villages Thursday. I also wanted to report that there was another home deemed uninhabitable in the southern part of the Villages, in the village of Monarch Grove. There are some homes on Scardino Street in Monarch Grove that have been affected by sinkholes recently. And the Sumter County Development Services has red tagged at least one home down in Monarch Grove on Scardino Street. I guess these sinkholes were discovered last year by some landscapers that were landscaping on Scardino Street in Monarch Grove, and they saw some sinkholes and they reported them. And recently there was a fresh ground depression discovered near this home that's been red tagged. So none of the homes were red tagged last year when they discovered some of these sinkholes in and around Scardino Street. Apparently those sinkholes weren't severe, at least last year when they discovered them. But recently they discovered a fresh depression near this home, and they sent in the Sumter County Development Services team. They looked at the home, they looked at the depression that's near that home, and they deemed that home uninhabitable, and they red tagged it. I do not have a video of that home. I do not have a picture of that home. But when I do get to the southern end of the villages again, I will take a look at Scardino Street in Monarch Grove. Now, friends, I will take you over to the home located here in the Village of Bridgeport at Miona Shores that has been recently in the news. Let's go over there, friends, and take a look. Hello again, friends. This is not the home that's been in the news recently, but I just wanted to show you that most of these homes located here in the Village of Bridgeport at Miona Shores, these are premier homes, and most of them have swimming pools. You can see the swimming pool right there. You can see the swimming pool in the home right there. The reason I wanted to show you some of these swimming pools, and you can see that Lake Miona is right through there. And recently, well, about 3 or 4 months ago, probably 3 months ago, one of these swimming pools, one of these homes, had an alligator break through the screen, and the alligator got into their swimming pool. And I think the alligator came out of Lake Miona, which is right there. And they are nocturnal, and they walk around at night. And they walked over to one of these swimming pools, I'm not sure which one, and they got into the swimming pool by walking right through the screen bird cage. I will include a picture of that alligator. One of my friends went over to the home and took a picture of the alligator. It was on the bottom of the swimming pool. He said it was a very large alligator, 10 or 12 feet long. So I'll put a pop-up box and I will show you that alligator. Okay, friends, now let's take a golf cart ride over to that home that's been in the news recently. Welcome, friends. Here I am walking through the Village of Bridgeport at Miona Shores. And recently this home here has been in the news. This home has been recently sold. And from what I understand, the sellers were very motivated to sell this home. It's a gorgeous home. It's a premier model home. It is block and stucco. Awesome trees, you know, mature landscaping. Has the U-shaped driveway. Has a new roof. Looks like Titan Roofing put a new roof on the home as well. Has a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. And that is your home that has been recently in the news. Right there, friends. This home recently sold for $1.095 million. It was last sold in 2021 for $769,000. And in 2008, when it was built, it sold for $537,900. So the reason this home is in the news is because it sold for more than $1 million. And it's in a beautiful location here in the Village of Bridgeport at Miona Shores. You cannot beat this neighborhood. It is so nice. So awesome. There you have it, friends. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Feel free to share the videos with your friends if you wish. I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, friends. Take care. Be safe.